It has been said that in the late 1800s, a raven, dark and menacing, lurked above various hidden mines in the Arizona Territory upon nightfall. A strange aura flickered to life and wrapped its body when it stood guard over a hidden vein of gold, yet flared brighter when miners stirred its wrath. The bright halo, shaped like an arrow, rendered their compasses useless. The miners feared the shadow bird, its cold stare piercing the night, a sign something terrible waited beneath the black skies. What lay in wait was not riches, but a grim and murderous fate, one that froze their blood and halted their greed.